السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه ومن والاه. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. رب يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير. آمين. رب زدني علما. اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا. Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban bikum. Hello everyone, welcome all of you to a new session today. And inshallah, without wasting any much time, let's directly jump to our lesson from where we left yesterday. And from here we are going to continue inshallah. So okay, so we stopped here yesterday where Hashim said li salasatu ikhwati. So the next sentence is al-mudarris. The teacher is asking, "Atullabun hum," meaning are they all students? Atullabun hum. Tullab, as we know, is the plural of talibun, and it's a broken plural. So tullabun hum fu'alun, okay, on the pattern of fu'alun. So the Hashim is replying, La innahum tujarun. Innahum tujarun. No, they are all. Indeed, they are tujar, meaning merchants. Okay. Indeed, they are merchants. So la is nothing but harfu jawab. Harfu jawab. Innahum. Again, we will break down innahum into two. First is inna, and then hum. So inna, as we know, is harfu tawkidin wa nasbin, and hum is ismu inna. Hum is ismu inna fi mahalli nasbin, or in other words, mansub. Okay, fi inna fi mahalli nasbin. And tujarun, as you know, it's marfu. So tujarun is khabaru inna marfu. Khabaru inna, and it is being there, which is dhamma. So innahum tujarun, indeed they are merchants. No, indeed they are merchants. So inna harfu tawkidin wa nasbin. Hum is the ismu inna here, and tujarun is khabaru inna. The next sentence, al-mudarris, وَكَمْ أُخْتًا لَكَ. وَكَمْ أُخْتًا لَكَ. Just like here asked, كَمْ أَخًا لَكَ. Now he's asking, كَمْ أُخْتًا لَكَ. How many sisters do you have? And أُخْتًا, as you know, is called tamiz. And tamiz is always wahid mansub. Tamiz with two yas. Tamiz is always wahid mansub. Okay. And kam, as you know, is harfu istifham. So Hashim is replying, Li arba'u akhawatin. Li arba'u akhawatin. I have 4 sisters. So in case of numbers from 1 to 10, we have learned that the adad and ma'dud are exact opposite of them. So if adad is mudhakkar, ma'dud has to be muannas. In this case, if adad is muannas, then ma'dud, the thing which is being counted, has to be mudhakkar. So ikhwatun is actually mudhakkar because it's the plural of akhun. So we count akhun even though it has ta marbuta. So don't get confused there. Then al-mudarris, the teacher, is asking, afil hindi hunna al-an. Afil hindi hunna al-an. Are they all in India now? Afil hindi hunna al-an. Are they in India? Are they in India now? Okay. So Hashim is replying, La innahunna huna bil madinatil munawwarati ma'a abi wa ummi. Ma'a abi wa ummi. So the translation would be, no, they are here at Medina with my father and with my mother. Okay. No, indeed they are here along with my father and mother. Okay. let's analyze this one as well. La is harfu jawab again. Inna hunna, so it has two parts, inna and hunna. So inna is harfu tawkidin wa nasbin. Hunna is the ismu inna, ism of inna, which is, even though hunna, as we know, hunna is always hunna. So this fatha is not because of inna, it's actually mabni. So, but since it's a ism of inna, so we'll call it as ismu inna fi mahalli nasbin. Okay. Huna is actually khabar here. Huna is the khabar of inna. Khabar of inna. And this is fi mahalli raf'in. Huna is actually zarf of makan. So fi mahalli raf'in here. Now, bil madinatil munawwara. Ba harf jar, al madinati is majrur, and al munawwarati is na'at. In Madina Munawwara. So this ba harf jar and al madinati is majrur, and this not. This is the entire thing is called jar majrur shibu jumla. Jar majrur shibu jumla what? Is it khabar? Is it what? Shibu jumla. This will be muta'alliq. Muta'alliqun. Okay. Because we already have khabar here. Here. Hunna. Sorry, hunna. Hunna is the khabar. And bil madinatil munawwara is extra information. So jarun wa majrun shibu jumla muta'alliq. Again, ma'a is dharful makan, and we know that ism followed by ma'a is always mudaf ilayhi majrur. So ma'a is dharf, and abi is ism majrur wa huwa mudaf ya mutakallim mudaf ilayh. Okay. And waw harfat ummi should be ma'tufun ala abi. So ma'a abi wa ummi. So ma'a abi, the entire thing is called zarf shibu jumla. Zarf shibu jumla, and again this will be muta'alliq, because this has something to do with the actual khabar, which is no, they are here, and then he's saying extra information that they are here in Medina along with my father and mother. Okay. And the next sentence is al mudarrisu atalibatun hunna, are they all students? Okay, just like atullabun hum. So atalibatun hunna, are they all students? Hashim saying no, la, innahunna mudarrisatun bil madrasati thanawiyyati. No, indeed they are teachers. They are teachers at secondary school. They are not students, they are teachers. So let me clear these. Okay. Okay. So again, when we analyze this is harfu jawab. It has two parts, inna plus hunna. So inna is harfu tawkidin wa nasbin. I've not written it here. Harfu tawkidin wa nasbin. Hunna is the ism of inna fi mahalli nasbin. Ism of inna fi mahalli nasbin. Mudarrisatun. What is mudarrisatun? Anyone? Mudarrisatun is marfu. So it's going to be.
It is khabaru inna.
Khabaru inna. Yes. This is khabaru inna marfu. Khabaru inna marfu, because khabar of inna is always marfu, right? So it is apparently, you can see the sign of marfu there. So it is khabar of inna. And then what is bil madrasati sanawiyati? We already have khabar of inna. So this extra information is called muta'alliq. Muta'alliqun lil khabar. So it's actually muta'alliq. So ba harf jar, al madrasati is majrur. Jar majrur shibu jumla. And as-sanawiyati is nothing but naat or sifa. Naat call it naat or you call it sifa. Okay, sifa or naat. So the entire thing is jar majroor shibu jumla, and this is muta'alliq because we already have khabar here. Okay, I hope this is clear now. Now that we are done with the lessons, let's get into the exercises now. I hope thing was clear until here. If there is any question, please let me know, or else we'll move on to the exercises. I'll take that as no questions. So let's start. And this is Ajibanil Asilatil Atiya. Answer the following questions. These questions are based on the dars that we just completed above. This is based on the lesson. So, min aina Hashimun? Min aina Hashim? Okay. Where is Hashim from? Min aina Hashim? Anyone? Min aina Hashim? You just need to see the lesson and try giving the answer. Okay. Min aina Hashim?
من الهندي هندي من الهندي.
Where? Where was he from? He was from India. Okay. So while replying, let's use inna because this lesson was based on inna. Even if it was you could simply say Hashimun min al Hindi or Huwa min al Hindi. Both are correct. But we will reply that innahu min al Hind or inna Hashiman min al Hindi. Innahu min al Hind. Right. So this will make sure that we are using inna in our conversation as well. So innahu min al Hind. Indeed, he is from India. Okay. Ayuhibbuhul mudarrisu. Does the teacher loves him? Does the teacher loves him? Did the not does? It's actually did. Does the teacher love him? So yes, the answer was yes. Naam. Yuhibbuhul mudarrisu. The same thing will put as a reply. Or you could simply say naam. If you say naam, that means yes, yuhibbuhu al-mudarrisu. Yes, the teacher loves him. Okay. Naam yuhibbuhu al-mudarrisu. Yeah, you could say that as well. Naam. Innal mudarrisa yuhibbuhu. You could also say that. Yuhibbu is verb. This is fi'l mudari. We will I said we will deal with this inshallah in our coming lessons. So yuhibbu meaning he loves. So it has yuhibbu and who. Yuhibbu who al mudarrisu. So who is the file here? Who is the file? File is always marfu. So which one is file here? Who is loving? So it's the teacher. So you see al mudarrisu is marfu. So this is file. And yuhibbu is fail. And this who here is maf'ulun bihi. Okay. This is maf'ulun bihi, which means receiver of action. And this who will go back to Hashim. This who will go back to Hashim. So this is maf'ulun bihi. Naam, innal mudarrisa yuhibbuhu. You could say this as well. Yes, zamir can also be attached to verb. Even though we have not learned that yet, we will see that inshallah. So don't get intimidated. Inshallah, we are going to deal with af'al shortly. Okay. Okay. The next question is min aina sa'atuhu. Min aina sa'atuhu. Where is his watch from? Sa'atuhu. We will again reply with inna. Inna sa'atahu. Okay. Inna sa'atahu. Sa'ata meaning it's ismu finna. Inna sa'atahu min al-yaban. Okay. Inna sa'atahu min al-yabani. Indeed, his watch is from Japan. Indeed, his watch is from Japan. Become here. How much was the price of it? What was its price? Okay, asa'atahu min al inna sa'atahu min al yabani or min al hindi. If it was from India, then write it in. Become here. How much is the price of it?
100. 100 روبية.
100. Samanuhu. For price, for price, the word is saman. Saman, okay. So samanuhu, مية بمية روبية. مية روبية. Sorry. So yeah, samanuhu, or the price of it is miyatu rubiyatin. Miyatu rubiyatin meaning 100 rupees. Okay. Samanuhu. Saman meaning price. So the price of it is 100 rupees. Or you could simply say samanuha. Sorry, yeah. Sorry, samanuha. I'm sorry. Samanuha, because it's sa'a, right? Samanuha miyatu rubiyatin. Its price is 100 rupees. Or you could simply say here bimiyati rubiyatin. Bimiyati rubiyatin. And we know that miyatun comes with, or innaha bimiyati rubiyatin. All are correct. Yes. Yeah. Yes. For third, it could be innaha minal yabani or minal hindi. That is also correct. Okay. Next question is kam akhan lahu. How many brothers does he have? Kam akhan lahu. Lahu salasatu ikhwatin. Lahu salasatu ikhwatin. Salasatu ikhwatin. Okay. Kam ukhtan lahu. How many sisters does he have? So lahu arba'u akhawatin. Arba'u akhawatin. Okay, tell me, we can use we can use inna here as well. So in that case, indeed he has 3 brothers. How can we say that? Can anybody try that? How can we say indeed he has 3 brothers? Indeed he has 3 brothers.
إنه ثلاثة إخوة.
Wait, let me write that. Innahu. Yeah. You said salasatu. Okay, Junaid, is it inna lahu? Actually, inna lahu. It should be inna lahu. Okay. Will it be salasatu?
Yes, it will be ثلاثة إخوة.
ثلاثة.
Will it be salasatu here, because we are using inna, so you need to be careful with which is ism of inna.
ثلاثة.
It should be salasata. Inna lahu salasata ikhwatin. Why? Because inna is harfu tawkidin wa nasbin. Lahu is jar majrur shibu jumla khabar inna. So salasata is nothing but ism of inna. Right?
Yes.
So ism of inna will be mansub. Okay, tell me, indeed I have 4 brothers. What will be the Arabic for indeed I have 4 brothers?
إن له أربعة.
No, I have.
إني.
Indeed I have. Inna li. Inna li.
أربعة.
Say 4.
أربعة إخوة.
أربعة إخوة. Sorry, أربعة. أربعة.
أربعة.
أربعة. Okay. أربعة. إن لي أربعة إخوة. Right? Because inna is harfu tawkidin wa nasbin, li meaning I have. So this lam harf jar and ya mutakallim will become this will become khabaru inna. Okay, jar majrur shibu jumla khabaru inna. And arba'ata, sorry, arba'ata, here ra is there. Arba'ata is nothing but ism of inna. Okay, arba'ata is ism of inna because it is mansub. It has to be mansub, and it is also mudaf and mudaf ilayh. Okay. No, the correct construction for this, we cannot have lahu or li at the last. Okay, just like you say without inna, just like without inna, you do khabar as muqaddam, right? So this thing will stay here. What I'm saying is, if you did not use inna and you have to say I have four brothers, so how would you say arba'atu ikhwatun li? You don't say that. Arba'atu ikhwatin li. We say li arba'atu ikhwatin, right? We have seen that li arba'atu ikhwatin, and in this case we have learned that this is khabar muqaddam and this is mubtada muakhar. So this construction will remains the same, except that if inna is added, then this will become khabar of inna and arba'atu will become arba'ata because of inna. Okay, so inna li arba'ata ikhwatin. This will be the case if inna is added. You cannot have li or lahu at the end. Okay, one question is like, why is arba'ata is muannas and ikhwatin is also muannas? Is it the case? Is ikhwatin muannas here? No, it's not muannas. It's the plural of akhun. So if akhun is singular, will it change to plural? Like brothers will become sisters just because of ta? No, this ta marbuta is there for ikhwatun, but this is not muannas. This is mudhakkar, even though it has ta marbuta at the end. Okay, so it's perfectly fine. It's following the rule that adad is muannas, then the madud has to be mudhakkar. Okay. Okay, finally, aina akhawatuhu, where is his sisters from? Where is his sisters from? So, innahunna, uh, we'll say bil madinatil munawwarah. Innahunna bil madinatil munawwarati ma'a abihi wa ummihi. Or we can simply say innahunna bil madinatil munawwarati. Okay, so this is about first exercise. So we'll quickly move on to the next one, and we will try to finish this chapter today, inshallah. So I hope this is clear, and then we will move on to the next one. So next one is easy. You just have to put correct or wrong. Okay, you just have to say right or wrong. So we have learned in the lesson that Hashimun innaka talibun zakiyun wa mujtahidun wa zu khuluqin. So is this correct? Hashimun talibun kaslan. Was it the case? Is it sahih? This is wrong. Okay, so we'll put no, wrong. The correct one was Hashimun talibun mujtahidun. Then the next one is hada khata. Yes, hada khata. Hada Hashimun talibun mujtahidun. This is correct, right? Hada sahih. So you'll put okay, tick mark. Correct. Okay, alamatul sahih or alamatul khata or alamatul ghalat. Or we also call sahih as sawab. Okay, khata, this is khata, and this is sawab. So sawab with swad meaning correct. Okay, Sa'atuhu rakhisatun. Sa'atuhu rakhisatun. His watch was cheap. Is it correct? I need some active participation. Please, everyone
Yes,
can
yes, it's correct.
participate in this. Okay. Is this sahih or ghalat? Is it wrong? It is sahih, right? Yes, his watch was cheap. Just 100 rupees only. Sa'atuhu ghaliyatun. Ghaliyatun. His watch is expensive. Is it correct? No, it is wrong.
خطأ.
Khata, yes. Sa'atuhu bi alfi rubiyatin. Alf meaning thousand. So is it 1,000 rupees? Khata. This is also
صحيح.
wrong.
خطأ.
No, no, no. His
100
watch was
100.
100 rupees only. It's saying 1,000. So this is wrong. Now the next one is sa'atuhu bi mi'ati rubiyatin, which is correct, right? Because his watch was only 100 rupees. 100 rupees faqat. So akhawatuhu bil madinatil munawwarati. His sisters are in Medina Munawwara, which is again correct. Okay. And akhawatuhu bil Hindi, wrong. Khata, right. So this was about the exercise. It's both of the exercises, first and second, were based on the lesson. Okay. So we'll quickly move on to the next exercise. We have done this, alhamdulillah. We have already done this, right? Adkhil inna fil jumal atiyah. So we know the construction as well. Like inna, if it is attached to zamir muttasil or munfasil, it becomes innahu, inna hiya, inna plus hiya, innaha, innaka, innaki. Similarly, innahum, innahunna, innakum, innakunna, innani, and inni, or innana or inna. And we have done this exercise, so I don't think we'll have to again go through this one because we have already done this. So innahu tajirun, inni talibun, innahum min al yabani, and likewise. We have already done this exercise, so we'll skip this because we have done this. Okay. Fifth one is اقرأ الأمثلة الآتية. Read the following examples. So al-mudarrisu jadidun. This was the normal jumlatul ismiyya. If inna is entered here, if inna comes before this, so it becomes inna al-mudarrisa jadidun, meaning the mubtada will become ism of inna and khabar will stay as khabar, but it will be called as khabar of inna. Okay. So inna al-mudarrisa jadidun. Similarly, Fatimatu tabibatun. Fatima is a doctor. Normal sentence becomes inna Fatimata tabibatun. Indeed, Fatima is a doctor. Similarly, Hamidun mutazawijun. Mutazawij means married. So inna Hamidan mutazawijun. Indeed, Hamid is married. So we have seen this. So there is no need to further elaborate on this. So this exercise is again going to be easy. أدخل إن على الجمل الآتية واضبط أواخر الكلمات. Enter inna into these sentences and then put the dhab on the last sentence, on the last kalim. So let's start. Ad-darsu sa'bun. This lesson is difficult. We'll have to enter. Okay, we have also done this. Okay, so that is also fine. Okay, yes, I do remember that we have done this. So inna darsa sa'bun, inna sayyarata jamilatun, inna al-Qur'ana kitabullahi, inna Muhammadan rasulullahi, and likewise. So we have already actually done this. So we'll also skip this. And if not, you can anyway do it at home. You just have to enter inna and make ism the mubtada as ism of inna, and khabar should be khabar, but it will be called as khabar of inna. Okay. Yeah, we come to this exercise about right? So we did discuss that is the meaning of is or. Okay. And we know that if you have two choices, for example, tabibun and muhandisun, so hamzatul istifham and first choice, and between and second choice, nothing should come. For example, if it is like if you have two choices, are you a doctor or an engineer? So it would be wrong to say a tabi, sorry, a anta. It would be wrong to say a anta tabibun muhandisun. So you may ask why this construction is wrong. Anta tabibun muhandisun. So you see the choice one was tabibun, and choice two was muhandis. So between hamzatul wasl and uh, first choice you see anta is coming here. So this will be wrong. So the correct one is atabibun anta am muhandisun. So let's start this. You have two choices, mujtahidun, kaslan. When you need to ask, are you hardworking or you are lazy? How do we do this?
طالب أنت
No, no.
مجتهد.
You don't have to enter Taliban. We just have two choices, one and two. So we'll say, no, first I will write the wrong one. So if I say, anta mujtahidun am kaslanu. Is it correct? Because you see, the choice one was mujtahidun, and between hamzatul wasl and choice one, you see anta there. So this is wrong. Okay. So the correct one is mujtahidun anta am kaslan. Mujtahidun anta am kaslan. And remember that is only used in interrogative sentences. Okay, next question. Seen Japan, China and Japan here. So the probable question would be, is she from China or from Japan? Is she from China or from Japan? So I will ask Zia.
الصين هي أم اليابان؟
Sorry, can you repeat?
الصين
No, we're asking that is she from, see, is she China or Japan? No, we're not talking about a girl who is Japan or China. We are asking that is she from China or from Japan, right? So minasini, you have to add a min here. Minasini here. Minal yabani. Minal yabani. Now the question may arise that you are adding min here, which is coming between first choice and so this min is actually part of first choice only. The first choice was, is it from Japan or from China? From China or from Japan? So this min is actually part of this sentence itself, which is why it's not coming between this is actually choice one and this is actually choice two. Aminasini here, Aminal Yaman. Just like in the lesson, the teacher had asked Hashim that in Pakistan anta Aminal Hind, right? You may have seen that. Okay, next one. Next one is easy. So we have two choices, tabibatun or mumarridatun. How will we do this? Tabibatun anti, right? Because this is female. Tabibatun anti am mumarridatun. Are you a doctor or a nurse? Okay, tabibatun anti am mumar. Okay, next one is also easy. Hum Nasara Yahud. Nasara hum. Am Yahud. Are they Christians or Jews? Okay. Masjidun and madrasatun. Masjidun and madrasatun. Answer What will be the answer? The answer would be,
هذا مسجد أنت مدرس
is it? Will this be the answer? Ahada masjidun am madrasatun?
Masjidun haza am mudarrisatun?
Madrasatun. Yes, correct. Correct.
Madrasatun.
Barakallah. Yes, it should be a masjidun hada. A masjidun hada. Because choice one was masjid. Am madrasatun. So don't forget this rule. Am madrasatun. That nothing should come between hamzatul istifham and first choice. So a masjidun hada and not a masjidun hada. Right. Now next is sayyaratul mudiri, sayyaratul mudarrisi, and hadihi. So what will be the answer? Is it correct? Hadihi sayyaratul mudiri am sayyaratul mudarrisi, or what?
Sayyaratul mudiri am
Sayyaratul mudiri,
asihi
mudiri, hadihi am sayyaratul mudarrisi. Am sayyaratul mudarrisi. Okay. Next is mutazawwijun and azabun. Azab meaning bachelor or unmarried. Okay. Mutazawwij meaning married. Unmarried. Anta. So are you married or unmarried? A mutazawwijun. A mutazawwijun anta. A mutazawwijun anta am azabun. A mutazawwijun anta am azabun. Are you married or unmarried? Okay, the next one is khalatuki ammatuki. Khalatuki ammatuki. Okay. Hunna khalatuki ammatuki. What would be the answer? Brother Abdul Aziz Abdul Hakim. Can you answer, please? Brother is not there, I guess. You can't hear me. What will be the answer?
Khalatuki am ammatuki.
Khalatuki hunna am ammatuki. Okay. The examples you can also find in Quran, in Surah Yusuf, when Yusuf alayhi salam said, "Arbabum mutafarriquna khairun amillahul wahidul qahhar." Okay. Arbabum mutafarriquna. Arbabun. The jama of Rabb. Arbabun mutafarriquna. Mutafarriquna khairun. Khairun amillah. Amillahul al-wahid al-qahhar. So you see, the first choice is Allah. The first choice is this different ma'bud, different arbab, or Allah. So, arbabun mutafarriquna khairun amillahul wahidul qahhar. So you see the similar pattern being followed in Quran. Okay, min Pakistana min Irana. Huwa. Min Pakistana. Min Pakistana. Why Pakistana? Because this is mamnu min as-sarf. Min Pakistana huwa am min Irana. Irana is also alamul ajami mamnu min as-sarf. So the last one is baytuka or ki, both are fine. Baytuka or baytuki. Qaribun ba'idun. So aqaribun, aqaribun, baytuka or baytuki, ka or ki both are fine. Am ba'idun. Okay, so this is done. Aqaribun baytuki, baytuki or baytuka, am ba'idun. Okay, so this was about the exercise related to and you can find numerous examples in Quran as well. Okay, so few examples that we did discuss that day is from Suratul Waqia, Surah Waqia. Okay, in Surah Waqia you can find many examples like anzaltumuhu min al-muzni am nahnu al-munzilun, am anzaltumuhu min al-muzni am nahnu al-munzilun. Similarly, am khuliqu min ghayri shay'in am humul khaliqun. So there are many examples in Quran, Surah Qiyamah, Surah Jinn. You can find many examples, inshallah. So you just need to go through. Again, in Surah Jinn, Qul in adri aqaribum ma tu'aduna am yaj'alu lahu rabbi amada. So many examples you can find in Quran. So we'll stop here for now and we will move on to our next exercise, which is the use of zu. Okay, let's see how much is there. Okay, inshallah we can finish it. We will try to finish it. So تأمل الأمثلة الآتية لذو. So ذو, as we discussed, is from أسماء الخمسة. Okay, so مديرنا ذو لحية طويلة. Our teacher is a long bearded guy, meaning he possesses a long beard. Okay, مديرنا ذو لحية طويلة. Our teacher has or he possesses a long beard. Okay. ذو لحية meaning beard, the one who has beard. ذو ورق مسطر meaning a ruled notebooks like this. Okay. هذا الدفتر ذو ورق مسطر. It is ruled notebooks like with lines. One is the plain one, another is ruled one. أحمد طالب ذو علم وخلق. Ahmad is of possess knowledge and as well as manner. So he's like well mannered and well learned man. أحمد طالب ذو علم وخلق. هذا القميص ذو كم قصير وذاك ذو كم طويل. Meaning it's a short sleeve shirt and that is long sleeves shirt. Okay. Al-qamis, the shirt. ذو كم, kum meaning sleeves, قصير, short sleeves, half sleeves. وذاك ذو كم طويل, and that is كم طويل meaning long sleeves. Okay. The next one is المسجد الذي في حينا. حينا meaning in our locality, in our neighborhood. المسجد الذي في حينا, the masjid which is in our locality, in our neighborhood. ذو منارة واحدة, has a single minaret. منارة minaret. المسجد الذي في حينا ذو منارة واحدة. So we see the example of ذو in every sentence. ذو is nothing but possessor, the one who possesses something. So if you possess ilm, you are ذو ilmin. If you possess character, you are ذو خلق. Similarly, anything like Dhul Qarnain, Dhu al Qarnain in Quran, in Surah Kahf. Dhul Qarnain, Qarnan meaning two horns, and Dhul Qarnain meaning the one who possesses two horns. Okay. Similarly, Dhun Nurain. Who is called Dhun Nurain? Anyone? Dhu.
Yunus alayhi salam.
He
Oh, no,
is
no,
called
sorry.
Dhunnur. He's called Dhunnur.
Uthman radhiyallahu anhu.
Yes, it's Uthman radiallahu anhu. Dhun Nurain. It's actually Nurani, and the dual was nurani, and from nurani you have nuraini in muzakkar, sorry, in majrur or mansoob form nuraini. So dhun nuraini, since dhu is mudaf, so this is mudaf ilayhi majrur. So dhun nurain, meaning the one who possesses two lights. So it's nothing but Osman radiyallahu anhu, because he was married to two daughters of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Usmanu radiyallahu anhu. Okay. So Dhul Nurain, Dhul Qarnain, likewise Dhul Jalal, meaning Allah is Dhul Jalal, he is Jalal. Okay. Dhul Quwwa,
Duntikam.
Zuntiqam, the one who will take the revenge. Okay. Zuntiqam, Dhul Qarnain, Dhul Jalal. And likewise, you'll have many examples in Quran, okay, with Dhu. And Mansoob form of Dhu is the, and Majroor form is the. The examples we've already given. Man Dalladhi, okay, Ya Zal Jalali wal Ikram, okay, and Tabarakas Murabbika Zil Jalali wal Ikram. So all of these examples are there in Quran. You can go through them. Few of them we will analyze, and the rest will be for you to analyze inshallah at home. So mudiruna, our teacher, is dhu lihyatin tawilatin. So mudiru is mubtada. Let me do it for you. Mudiruna, mudiru is mubtada plus mudaf, and na is mudaf ilayh. Mudiruna, right? So mudiru is mubtada plus mudaf, na is mudaf ilayh. What is zu? Where is khabar in this sentence? Abdul Aziz, Abdul Lafiz. Whether you're unmute, can you let us know where is the, where is the khabar in this sentence?
Zu lihyatin.
It's actually zu is khabar. Okay, zu is khabar because zu is marfu, and sign of it being marfu is this waw, and this is mudaf also. Zu is khabar plus mudaf, meaning wa huwa mudaf, and lihyatin, you see it's majroor, so it's nothing but mudaf ilayh. And what is tawilatin?
Not.
Tawilatin is not, right? Tawilatin is nothing but na'at or sifa, whatever name you'd like to call it. Na'at or sifa. Okay, next question. Hada daftaru dhu waraqin musattarin. Where is mubtada and khabar?
Hada mubtada.
Yes, hada is mubtada, correct. Where is, what is ad-daftar? So whenever you have ismul ishara or anything ma'rifa after hada is called badal. Al-badal, yes, this is called badal. Why? Because you could either say ad-daftaru zu waraqin musattarin, or you could simply say, pointing towards a notebook, hada zu waraqin musattarin. Both can interchangeably be used. Okay, so this acts as a badal of hada. Okay, so either you can simply say hada zu waraqin musattarin, or you could say ad-daftaru zu waraqin musattarin. Okay, so both are correct. So hada is mubtada and ad-daftaru is badal. Khabar again is zu is khabar. Okay, even though, I mean, technically speaking, generally speaking, this entire thing is khabar. Okay, generally speaking, but technically speaking, since khabar is always marfu, so zu is marfu, and the sign of being it marfu is this waw, the presence of this waw. So technically we are speaking that zu is khabar, and it is mudaf, and waraqin is mudaf ilayh, right? And musattarin is nothing but na'at again. So these are similar kind of sentences. So this thing and this thing for you, this will be homework for you. Let's do this one, okay, because it has alladhi, so we'd like to do it. So al-masjidu, this is mubtada. Okay, alladhi, as we know, is ismul mawsool. So there is something which is followed by ismul mawsool, which is called silatul mawsool. So can someone tell me from where to till where is ismul silatul mawsool? From where until where?
الذي في حينا.
No, yeah. الذي is اسم الموصول. The صلة الموصول is في حينا, in our locality, right? The صلة الموصول is this في حينا. صلة الموصول. Okay. Where is خبر? We have done مبتدا اسم الموصول صلة الموصول. خبر is again ذو. ذو is خبر وهو مضاف. منارة, since we know it's مجرور, so it's nothing but مضاف إليه. Okay. And واحدة is nothing but نعت. I hope this is clear. These two inshallah you can do at home. Okay. ذو منارة واحدة في هينة. Okay.
في حينا is also خبر, sir.
No, this is silatul mawsul, and if you analyze fi hayyina, so fi is harf jar, hayyi is majroor plus mudaf, and na is mudaf ilayh. Silatul mawsul cannot be khabar. If we say fi hayyina is khabar, so let's forget about du manaratin wahidatin for now. And if we were to translate this sentence, al masjidul ladhi fi hayyina, the masjid which is in our locality, will this make a complete sense? Will the listener be satisfied with your answer? You would say what does that masjid has to do in your locality? So you would say that masjid which is there in our locality is has one minaret, a single minaret. Okay. So now this makes complete sense when we add do. So this cannot be khabar, the khabar is do. Okay, I hope this is also clear, inshallah. So let's move on to the next set of exercise. These two I'm leaving for you, third and fourth. Inshallah, you'll try to do it. Something for your homework. Okay, we have 9, 10, 12. Okay. Is okay. I just extend for maybe 5 minutes just to finish this lesson today, inshallah. If you can give me some 5-10 minutes extra so we can finish this lesson, inshallah. Okay. Is it okay? You guys, do you agree? If not, we'll stop at 10.
Okay.
That's not a problem. I just need some confirmation that is it okay to extend for
sir.
5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. Because this being Sunday, so hence asked. Okay. اقرأ أمثلة ثم حول الجمل الآتية مثلها. Read the examples. اقرأ الأمثلة. Read the examples. ثم حول الجمل الآتية مثلها. And then change the following sentences likewise. So you have هذا الطالب ذو خلق. So as I said earlier, ذو is masculine and singular. So the plural of ذو is nothing but the ذو. Okay, the ذو. And similarly, the feminine form of that ذو is ذاتو, and the plural is ذوات. So you'll have to change it like that. هذا الطالب ذو خلق. This student is well-mannered or possess good manners or character. Okay. هؤلاء الطلاب ذو خلق. These students, they possess a great character or good character. Okay. So هذا مبتدا, الطالب بدل, ذو is khabar, and مضاف خلق is مضاف إليه. Likewise in all the sentences. So هؤلاء is again مبتدا, الطلاب بدل, مبتدا بدل, ذو is khabar and mudaf, and this is mudaf ilayh. Okay. Similarly for feminine, for هذه الطالبة, this student, this female student, ذات خلق is of good manner or possess a good character. Okay. هؤلاء الطالبات ذوات خلق. These students, female students, they possess good character. They are of character. Okay, good character. Okay, هذا الرجل ذو مال كثير. You need to change this into plural of masculine first, and then feminine, and then plural of feminine. So let's start. هذا الرجل ذو مال كثير. So we'll have to change it to haulai. You can also try side by side. Haulai. Ar-rajulu, the plural is ar-rijalu. Haulai ar-rijalu. The plural of zu would be zawu. Zawu malin kathirin. هؤلاء الرجال الرجال ذو مال كثير. The feminine form هذا, so هذه. What is the feminine of الرجل? There are two actually.
بنت
No, bint is
Niswa.
daughter.
Imran.
امرأة
Imra'atun, or if alif lam is added, al-mar'atu. See, you have, let me make this point clear. Imra'atun meaning a woman. There is also, okay, Imra'atun is woman. If we add al, it will become al-mar'atu. Okay, so this is feminine form of woman. If alif lam is added, it becomes al-mar'atu. And the masculine of it is imra'un, right? And if it is alif lam is added, al-mar'u. So all of these you can find in hadith. For example, likulli imri'in ma nawa, the first hadith of Sahih al-Bukhari, that innamal a'malu binniyat wa innama likulli imri'in likulli imri'in ma nawa. So imra'un is the rajul. The another word for rajul is imra'un, and the feminine is imra'atun. If alif lam is added, so it becomes al-mar'atu, and for masculine, for men, it becomes al-mar'u. So there is another hadith, al-mar'u ala dini khalilihi. The man is upon the religion of his friend. So this is what imra'atun, al-mar'atu. So here, since we have hadhihi and alif lam, so it would be hadhihi al-mar'atu. Hadhihi al-mar'atu. Al-mar'atu. هذه المرأة ذات مال كثير. Okay, and feminine of it is هؤلاء, and the plural of these two is nothing but an-nisa, an-nisa'u or nisa'un. Surah Nisa. Okay, the plural of imra'atun or al-mar'atu is an-nisa or nisa'un. So haulai an-nisa'u, haulai an-nisa'u zawatu malin kathirin. Okay, this is also done. Haulai an-nisa'u zawatu malin kathirin. So this is something important you need to remember. Okay, imratun and al-mar'at, and similarly imra'un or al-mar'u. So this exercise, I think this is also done. Let's move on. Okay, adkhil la'alla ala al-jumal al-atiyah ilman bi anna la'alla min akhwatina. This is also very easy exercise. You need to enter la'alla in these sentences, and keeping in mind that la'alla is from the sisters of inna. Okay, so it will act similar to inna, and it will have its effect in the sentence just like inna. So huwa bi khairin, we need to enter la'alla here. Come on, let's all get involved in these exercises. You can also do it at home, but since we're doing it here, so I need equal participation and your involvement. Okay, la'allahu
بخير
bi khairin. Hope he is fine. We'll also point out, is it taraji or ishfaq? You're hoping for him to be fine. So this is nothing but hope, taraji, right? La'allahu bi khairin. Because la'alla is harfu taraji or ishfaq. So here we have at taraji. Next one is hum bikhairin.
لعلهم بخير.
لعلهم بخير. Again, taraji or ishfaq. This is taraji.
درجة.
هي بخير.
لعلها
لها
بخير.
لعلها بخير. Okay. لعلها بخير. Similarly, هن بخير.
لعلهن
لعلهن بخير. Okay. أنت بخير. All are
لعلك
لعلك بخير.
لعلك بخير. Just like in our lesson, Hashim had asked, sorry, لعلك بخير. أنتم بخير.
لعلكم
لعلكم بخير. أنت بخير.
لعلك
لعلك. أنتن بخير.
لعلكن
لعلكن
كنا
بخير. Okay. أنا ناجح.
لعلنا
لعلي ناجح.
أنا. So it's لعلي. I hope I will pass. لعلي ناجح. I hope I will pass. I'll be of success. I'll achieve success. لعلي ناجح. نحن ناجحون. لعلنا ناجحون. ناجحون. المدير في غرفته.
لعل المدير
لعل المدير في غرفته. I hope I hope the teacher is in his room. غرفته in his room. الاختبار سهل.
لعل الاختبار
الاختبار
سهل.
لعل
الاختبار
الاختبار سهل. Okay, so this exercise was very easy. It's just that you need to put la'alla and you need to see the form and answer based on the dhamir. Okay, there are a couple of things left now. I did not actually tell you this. So اقرأ المثالين ثم أكمل الجمل الآتية بوضع غال أو غالية في الأماكن الخالية. So this will briefly talk about this. Anytime you have if you see this غال, okay, it's actually غالي. Similarly وادي. Similarly محامي. Similarly ماضي. So if you have these kind of ism, and you can what you can do is you can make it like ghalin. So what we do is we remove this ya here, and the tanween of which gets transferred to this. So it's not actually majroor, okay? But by seeing this, it looks like it is majroor, but it is marfu. The reason is we have ya as weak letter, so the weak letter is removed and it is compensated. The tanween of it is compensated and shifted to here. For example, wadiyun becomes wadin. Biwadin ghayri zi zar'in inda baytika al-muharram. So it's actually wadiyun. Muhamiyun, meaning lawyer, becomes muhamin. Fail madiyun becomes madin. Okay, so this thing where this we remove the ya and compensate the next letter with a kasra, which is nothing but tanween. So it is called manqus. Al ismul manqus. Ismun manqus. More on this, inshallah, we will do at the later point of time. It is called manqus. It is done for a reason. Okay. Why is it called manqus? Because we introduce some naqs or some defect in this thing. So which is why it is called manqus. So it comes from naqs, manqus. So what is the naqs? You remove the ya. Ya is getting removed from here. Yeah. So this is called ismun manqus. And what is this, and what about the rulings and all? Inshallah, we will suffice our discussion and only until here, that we remove a ya and put a kasra here, and it becomes ghalin. So it's not actually it's not majroor per se. It is marfu. It's just that a ya, which was the weak letter, has been removed and compensated with a kasra here. Okay.
Same as
And this is
the
called
abrogated ayats which you refer in the Quran, manqus.
yeah, I mean, you may have seen this wadin, ghalin, qadin, muhamin, likewise. For example,
Calling,
wadin,
calling.
qalin. Qalin. I have not seen this.
Calling.
Qalin. I don't know what you're talking about. Qalin, I have not heard. Qadin. Do you mean qadin?
Calling.
Can you write this, please? Okay, so
Sorry.
this is called ismun manqus. Okay, just remember this point, manqus, for now. And inshallah, what is this and why do we do this and all? Inshallah, we'll discuss that at a later point of time. So for now, you see, هذا القلم غال إذ نادى ربه بالوادي المقدس طوى. No, it's not طوى. That's not manqus. For manqus to happen, you should have ma qabla ya'i al kasra. I mean, from before ya, there should be kasra here. Anyway, let's limit our discussion until here. It's just like you now remember. I mean, just think of it as manqus. Why do we do this, and what the rulings are? We will discuss at later point of time. So هذه الساعة غالية. Okay. Now الكتب العربية. You need to put either غالي or غالية.
غالية.
غالية. الكتب العربية either غالية or غالية. Because عربية is تا مربوطة, right? هذا الكتب العربية غالية في بلدنا. The Arabic books are cheap. Arabic books are cheap in our country. Okay. هذا الكتاب رخيص وذاك غال, right? Because it is masculine. هذا المعجم ب100 ريال هو غال. It is expensive. هذه الحقيبة
غالية.
غالية. هذه الحقيبة غالية. Okay. More on this inshallah later. For now, just remember it is called manqus. Okay. Why am I putting this? For some reason. Okay. So let's try to finish few more and then we'll be done for today. I've already taken some more time. اقرأ المثالين ثم اقرأ الجمل الآتية بعد ذلك اكتبها مع كتابته الأعداد الواردة فيها بالحروف. Okay. 100 رجل 100 امرأة 100. 1000 رجل 1000 امرأة. So what you need to do is you need to make this write this in words. It's written it like in digits, like 1000, 100, 100. I'll just explain one or two and then the rest you can do. The rest you can do at home. So هذه التلفاز ب1000. It's actually ب1000 ريال. ب1000 ريال. Similarly, in the 1000, right? So in the $1000, I have $1000. في هذا الكتاب 100 صفحة. And likewise, become هذه الحقيبة هي ب100 ريال. Okay. في هذه الكلية 100 طالب من باكستان و100 طالب من إندونيسيا. Likewise. Okay. So this you can write at home. And the final one, Kawin Jumalan Musta'min al-Kalimat al-Atiya. You need to make sentences. This will be homework for you.
Zaki mi'atun watazawjun azabun.
Zakiyun mi'atun mutazawijun azabun khuluqin dolarin ghali. So you need to make sentences. Kawin Jumalan Musta'min al-Kalimat al-Atiya. That should have this sentence. For example, Inna Hamidan talibun zakiyun. Okay. Mi'atu. إن الساعة بمئة روبية. متزوج. هل أنت متزوج؟ عزب. أخي عزب. My brother is unmarried. خلق. إنك لا على خلق عظيم. Okay, it's from Quran. You can. دولار. عندي 1000 دولار. I have $1000. غال. هذا الكتاب غال. This book is expensive. Okay, so this likewise this will be a homework for you and you can do it at home, inshallah. And finally, the new words, we've already discussed most of them. Zakiyun meaning intelligent, sharp. Ghabiyun meaning fool, a fool. Okay, a stupid person, stupid or fool. Khuluq meaning character. Miyatun 100, alfun 1000. Rubiya is rupees, whether Indian, Pakistani or any rupees. Mutazawij married. Azab meaning unmarried, single. Yahud meaning no Jews. Mu'ajam meaning dictionary. Okay, dictionary. Dular is dollar. Ghalin is expensive. This is manqus. Najihun meaning to pass. I mean successful. Najihun, successful. Safha, page. The Jamai Safhat. Kummun meaning sleep. Okay, with this we have come to an end. Jazakallah khair for your extra time, and inshallah we will see you in next week. So by then, please try to revise all the concepts that we have discussed in this class. Okay, so we'll stop here for today. Jazakallah khair, barakallah feekum for your time. Subhanallah wa bihamdi, subhanakallah wa bihamdika, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. If there are any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, we can wind up for today.
That Azabun and Asbun is different.
Azabun. Azab.
Yes,
You're asking Azbun.
Asbun and Azabun. Is that different?
No, this Azabun is different. This is different. Okay. Yeah, Ghalin can be khabar. Ghalin can be khabar because I'm saying Ghalin can be khabar, and do not think of Ghalin as majroor because Ghalin is actually marfu. The asl form is nothing but Ghaliyun. Okay, so this kasra that you see here is not actually a kasra, it is marfu only. The tanween of this gets shifted here. Ghalin is marfu. Arab is marfu. Zaka is actually a shortened form of Zalika. So Zaka is nothing but Zaka. Zaka equals Zalika. It's just the usage differs. Otherwise, the meaning and everything is same. Either you can use Zaka or you can use Zalika. Both are correct. Okay. So we will stop here for today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Subhanallah wa bihamdihi, subhanakallah wa bihamdihi, ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.
Zaka can be mubtada, Ustad.
Yes, Zaka can be mubtada.
Jazakallah khair.
Okay, fine. Assalamu alaikum.